Parents and seniors deserve better. Here's the new path to income freedom. If you're a parent stretched thin or a senior wondering how you're supposed to afford the next decade, I want to show you something that changes everything. One of the hardest things to admit is this: the world wasn't built for your peace, it was built for your productivity. But that doesn't mean you can't create something different. Doesn't it feel like everything about life today is designed to make you run faster just to stay in the exact same place? It's like climbing up an escalator that's moving down. You're giving it everything, but the staircase isn't working against you, or I should say, is working against you. And for parents and seniors, it hits the hardest. Parents are exhausted, and seniors are being forced back into the workforce. Grocery costs more, bills never stop rising, and traditional jobs just don't stretch far enough anymore. That's why automation is becoming the lifeline for normal people. Automation doesn't take more time, it gives you back time. It doesn't ask for more hours, it multiplies the hours you already have. And that is what creates real time freedom. Those who start building automated income streams now will thrive in the next shift, which is coming. Those who don't will be left navigating a world that keeps getting faster. Watch my next video, go deeper with this next video. Is 2025 the year you finally get time freedom, and 2026 is right around the corner. The link is right below. Subscribe to stay inspired, protected, and prepared, because your future deserves more than just survival. Freedom begins the moment you drop or you stop trading your life for a paycheck. And I'm here if you have any questions ever.